West Indies shake up their hat again. And after this shake, Craig Brathwaite is out as the Test captain. And so is Ravman Powell as T20 captain. And guess what? Shea Hope has been shaken in as T20 captain, while the hat is still shaking in search of a replacement for Brathwaite as Test captain. But just to demonstrate how chaotic things have become with West Indies cricket, Darren Sammy was recently elevated from white ball coach to all-format coach after taking charge of the Test team. We are told, based on the improvements he, Sammy, engineered with the T20 team, improving their ranking from number 9 up to number 3. But at the same time, Sammy's trusted lieutenant, his leader and captain for the same period of improvement, Ravman Powell, has been dropped as captain, we assume, based on poor results. No, you go and figure. You figure.